We've all seen it happen. A project has a perfect plan, the best technology, and a healthy budget, but it still goes off the rail. Why is that? After 4 decades of managing complex industrial projects, we've learned that the technical challenges aren't the only thing causing a project to fail. It is oftentimes a people problem. The most common issue we see is what we call the silo effect. The engineering team designs a new system, but they don't fully involve the maintenance team who has to keep it running for the next 20 years. Or the operations team isn't consulted on the workflow, so the new layout is inefficient for the people who have to use it every single day. These aren't technical failures, they're communication failures, and they lead to expensive rework, delays, and a lot of frustration. Our role, when we lead a project, is to be the human glue that holds everything together. Our first step is to get everyone in the same room. We make sure the maintenance leads sign off on the designs. We make sure that the operators walk through the proposed workflow. We facilitate the conversations that your internal teams are often too busy or too siloed to have on their own. It's also about building trust on the factory floor. Our project leads don't just manage from a conference room. They're out there talking to the technicians, listening to their concerns, and earning their respect. You can't lead a project effectively if you don't have the trust of the people doing the work. And that same principle applies to how we communicate with your leadership. We have a strict no surprises policy. You will always have a clear, honest picture of where your project stands. Our commitment is to your total transparency. But at the end of the day, the Gantt charts, the software, the technology, those are just tools. The success of a project comes down to getting all the right people aligned, communicating effectively, and moving in the same direction. That's not just project management, it's people management. And it's the key to getting it done right.